In 1991, the war broke out in the capital, Somalia, Mogadishu. We came under fire. We were traveling on a lorry with my relative. In the midst of the chaos, I fell off and my leg went under the wheel and it was completely crushed. After years of pains and uncertainty and walking on crutches, I arrived in UK as a refugee at the end of 1998. I had my first operation 9 years after my injury. First time in 9 years I was able to stand upright. I could see the light of the end of the tunnel, but unfortunately my lower leg, which was badly damaged, flared up and underwent 4 more operations. The doctors decided the best option was amputation below the knee. And it was 2004 February when I had, at the end, lost the leg. I can say that was the best decision I have ever made in my life, because before I couldn't walk properly without feeling the pain or using crutches. But right now, despite losing the leg, I can run a marathon. When I started running, it was 4 months after my amputation. But the beginning was very, very, very difficult because one leg was stronger than the other and I used to put the weight on my good leg. I joined the mainstream athletic club where I'm the only guy with one leg. When I was joining, I didn't have the courage that I could keep pace with the people with athletes with 2 legs. But I found out that I had been selling myself short, that I was even faster than most of the people. That gave me the edge to come out my shell a bit more. I ran the marathon, my first marathon, 3 hours, 14 minutes. Running is part of my way of life. If I don't run, and I could see something odd myself. The running enabled me to not only overcome the trauma in the past, but also overcome whatever life throws at me. Deep down, I feel, there's some sort of injustice where you live defines who you are and limits what you can achieve. I will be running around Rwanda. I hope to set up rehabilitation centers and educational centers for people living with disability in war-torn countries in Africa. I'll be running 555 miles, but we will be asking the natives to contribute $1 each to sponsor me. How I'm gonna achieve that is working with the governments in those countries. We want to inspire the people to be part of the change, so they shouldn't wait change come from outside. I'm still fighting, so a lot of things I'm doing at the moment is still overcoming obstacles.